The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Roberts County, West Central Hemphill County, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 18 miles northwest of Miami, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Roberts County. Hazard: 3-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of central Roberts and west central Hemphill counties. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Hemphill and Roberts.